Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of wooden art, exploring the differences between traditional and modern styles. Whether you're looking to add a touch of classic elegant sustainable practices in wooden decor. Reclaimed wood, this involves using wood salvaged from old buildings, furniture, or other structures. Reclaimed wood adds character and history to decor while reducing waste. Responsible sourcing, look for wood certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, ensuring it comes from sustainably managed forests. Eco-friendly finishes, using natural oils, water-based stains, and non-toxic sealants helps minimize the environmental impact and improves indoor air quality. Minimalist design, emphasizing simplicity in design can reduce material waste. Fewer complex elements often lead to less resource consumption. DIY and upcycling, creating your own decor from scrap wood or repurposing old furniture can be a sustainable option. This not only reduces waste but also adds a personal touch to your home. Examples of sustainable wooden decor. Furniture, tables, chairs, and shelves made from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced timber can enhance aesthetics while being eco-friendly. Wall art, wooden wall hangings, sculptures, or framed art made from reclaimed materials can serve as striking focal points in any room. Decorative accents, items like wooden bowls, coasters, and candle holders made from sustainably sourced wood can add warmth and character to your space. Planters and garden decor, using untreated wood for outdoor decor, like planters or garden furniture, can be both sustainable and stylish. NCE or contemporary flair to your home, wooden art can transform your space. Cultural heritage. Traditions. Many artists draw inspiration from their cultural roots, using traditional techniques or motifs that have been passed down through generations. This can include specific carving styles, patterns, or the use of native woods. Symbolism. Personal history often intertwines with cultural stories, leading artists to incorporate symbols that represent their identity, beliefs, or ancestral stories into their wooden pieces. Personal experiences. Life events. Significant life events, such as family milestones, travels, or personal challenges, can inspire artists to create meaningful wooden pieces. For example, a piece might symbolize a journey, a celebration, or even a healing process. Memories. Artists often use wood to evoke memories, creating pieces that resonate with their past, such as furniture made from reclaimed wood from a childhood home. Nature and environment. Connection to nature. Many artists find inspiration in their surroundings. The textures, colors, and shapes found in nature can influence the design and materials used in their wooden art. Sustainability. Personal values regarding environmental stewardship can inspire artists to choose sustainable practices and materials, reflecting a commitment to nature in their work. Craftsmanship and skills. Learning and growth. An artist's journey often involves learning traditional woodworking techniques or experimenting with modern methods. Each piece created can represent a step in their artistic growth and mastery of the craft. Mentorship. Many artists are inspired by mentors or family members who taught them the craft, making their work a tribute to those influences. Emotional expression. Therapeutic outlet. For some, creating wooden art serves as a form of therapy, allowing them to express emotions and cope with life's challenges. Storytelling. Each piece can tell a story, reflecting the artist's thoughts, feelings, and experiences, often inviting viewers to connect on a personal level. Family legacy. Heirloom pieces. Many artists create wooden art as a way to honor family traditions, crafting heirloom pieces that can be passed down through generations. This can include furniture or decorative items that carry personal stories and memories. Collaboration. Some artists collaborate with family members, combining skills and ideas to create unique pieces that reflect a shared history and familial bonds. Community influence. Local culture. Artists often draw inspiration from their communities, incorporating local materials or themes that resonate with the shared identity of the place. This can involve using wood from local trees or motifs that reflect community traditions. Workshops and collectives. By participating in local art workshops or collectives, artists can exchange ideas and techniques, enriching their work with diverse influences. Crisis and resilience. Response to challenges. Personal hardships, such as loss, illness, or societal issues, can profoundly influence an artist's work. Creating wooden art can serve as a coping mechanism, allowing artists to process their experiences and express resilience. Social commentary. Some pieces may address broader social issues, using wood as a medium to reflect on personal or collective struggles, thereby fostering dialogue and awareness. Exploration of identity. Self-discovery. Artists often use their work to explore their identities, incorporating elements that represent their beliefs, values, or experiences. This can lead to a deeper understanding of oneself and one's place in the world. Fusion of styles. Artists with diverse backgrounds might blend various cultural influences in their wooden art, creating pieces that celebrate multiculturalism and the complexity of identity. Spiritual connection. Rituals and beliefs. Many cultures have spiritual practices that involve wood, such as creating totems or ceremonial objects. Artists may draw on these traditions to create pieces that resonate with their spiritual beliefs or practices. Meditative process. The act of carving or crafting can be meditative, allowing artists to connect with their inner selves and find peace in the creative process. Innovation and experimentation. Exploring new techniques. Artists often push the boundaries of traditional woodworking by experimenting with new tools, techniques, or materials. This innovation can lead to unique, contemporary pieces that reflect personal growth and creativity. Integration with other mediums. Many artists combine wood with other materials, such as metal, glass, or fabric, to create mixed media artworks that tell a more complex story. Environmental awareness. Sustainable practices. With a growing emphasis on sustainability, many artists reflect their commitment to the environment by using reclaimed wood or promoting eco-friendly practices. This can stem from personal values or experiences that highlight the importance of conservation. Nature as inspiration. The Butte.